Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you this WD Elements. So it's basically a hard drive in which you can store anything important files of your laptop, PC, whatever. It's a basic storage and stockage supplement. So friends, if you are going somewhere here and there, you just no need to carry your laptop along with you. You can just store your data over here and you can carry. It's a substitute of pen drives, CDs and all. It can store more data, that's the reason. And it's 2 TB2. It's 2-year limited warranty, guaranteed indeed 2S. What else about it? So over here they have mentioned everything about it. You can go and read it. Nothing much. Let's open it how it is. So here comes my scissor. Here comes the hard disk. So this is how it looks like. It's beautiful. I have already used one earlier and these are very nice. So it looks like this, and they have one wire by which you can connect it to your system. So it's very good. Go and use these kinds of things. You just do not need to carry your laptop along with you. These storage are very nice, and please friends, go and purchase these, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more my videos. Thank you.